So I'm nearly ready to run. This is the OS FS20, so 20 is 0.2 cubic inch, roughly 0.2, but it's 3.56 cc. A 10 by 5 propeller, 10 by 5 inches. We've got a fill tank here that I've just strapped with some wire down to the actual wooden mount that I'm going to use just to run the engine. Now what we've got is a feed to the engine here, which goes into the clunk. So the clunk it's actually a clunk tank. It's designed for aircraft so that it operates either way up, upside down. The little brass bit on the end of the pipe inside the fill tank always falls to the bottom into the fill. So we've got that's in the fill that feeds the engine. We've got a pipe here from the exhaust that gives a bit of pressure to the tank. So that goes into the tank and pressurizes the tank and therefore pushes fuel into the engine. And then we've got a filler point here that we've just got I made a little brass stop up to fit in that filler. So we can fill the tank up and then stop it. Oil, there will be some oil come out the engine, but it won't be much out the back. Now what I'm going to do is actually I missed a key point. There's the throttle. So I've got a simple throttle for the moment, just a piece of piano wire that I can open and close the throttle, and I've just put it underneath the tank straps. So it's nice and simple, keeps me away from the engine when I'm just playing with it here. And then we've got the needle valve on the engine here to control the fuel mixture. Again, it's quite nicely situated. I've put the exhaust, pointed it up a bit to get it away from that needle valve so I just don't burn my fingers for the moment. But we're ready to go. So we'll put some fuel in. We'll get the glow plug heated up and ready to give us ignition. And we're away, and I can flick start it. Fantastic. Yeah, there's our little 4-stroke engine.